Hey guys! ACF here.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this greeting card. To make this, we'll need
Two square sheets of paper. One that's bigger and the other one that's a little bit smaller. The smaller one is where you're going to write your message, so choose your color accordingly. And any colored rectangular sheet of paper for the stem. And I've cut out a leaf. I've cut out little portions of the leaf at the edges so it looks more realistic. So to start off, I'm taking the bigger sheet of color paper. I'm folding it along the diagonals. Now fold this paper into half and fold it into half the other way. Now pick the paper up and push this triangle inwards and fold it. Now push the other triangle inwards and make a crease. So it's going to look like this. Now fold this into half. And I'm going to draw on the side that's connected. So this is the side that's connected. So I'm just going to draw a petal. I'm cutting out the petal. It's going to look like this. I've done the same thing with a smaller sheet of paper. Now I'm going to stick the sheet of paper. Stick it along the same creases. Let's allow this to dry for some time. Meanwhile, I'm taking this green sheet of paper and I'm going to roll it up from this side. Put some glue and stick it down. Now let's take our flower and you can put in your message here. I'm just going to say happy birthday. Now I'm going to fold it the same way we folded our sheet previously. Fold this inwards and press it down gently. Now to lock this up, I'm going to take a rectangular sheet of paper and I'm going to fold it into half, further into half, and again into half. Open the strip of paper and make folds alternatingly. Now fold this sheet into half. I'm drawing a heart. This is going to give us a heart chain. And when you're cutting out a heart chain, make sure that you don't cut these ends because this is where your hearts are going to be connected. It's not necessary that you do hearts. You can also cut out circles or any kind of shapes that you like. So I'm trimming it up. So let's open it up. It's going to look like this. Now let's bring back our flower and our stem. So I'm going to fold it this way. I'm going to press this down a little and put some glue on this and stick it to our flower. Now let's flip it over and I'm going to stick our leaf down. You could stick as many leaves as you want. Remember our heart chain? So I'm going to put it
around this heart.
And then stick these two hearts together. So this is how it's going to look. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button for more art and craft content.